Everything looks good with a bit of color on it. And so, we made colors that work on almost everything. Fluid acrylics come in many shades, are easy to pour, spread evenly and thinly, and can be applied using almost any technique on most surfaces. These multi-surface paints work on wooden surfaces like trays and tabletops, rocks and pebbles, clay items like diyas and pots, even fabric, table covers, and any other rough surface. You can use them directly from the bottle or mix multiple colors in a paper cup and pour all together. You can even manipulate fluid acrylics by using toothpicks, brushes, a blower, straws, or even just your breath. The world of fluid acrylics can be as vast as your imagination. So, the next time you see something that needs a bit of color, chances are that you can decorate it with fluid art.